The use case 1 is to get the actual product name along with its order item detail like quantity and unit price. Assume this is for a order bill report. And for this, we need to go to the order items table and get product ID, quantity, and unit price. But here they have asked for actual product name, and the product name is available in the products table. So we need information from two tables. One is order items. From order items table, we will get order ID, quantity, unit price, and product ID. From products table, we will get product name and product ID. Here, the product ID is the join key that connects these two tables. Now let us write the query. Select. We will complete the join part first and then include the columns list. Select from order items OI join products P on OI dot product ID equal to P dot product ID. Here the OI and P are aliases. That is, OI is the short name given to the order items table and P is the short name for products table. And these are useful when you want to refer columns from these table. And instead of specifying the old table name while referring to a column, we can use these names and refer to the columns from these two tables. And here the plain join is by default inner join, and the on tells the SQL based on which condition we need to match the records. And here, based on product ID, we match the records from these two tables. And OI.product ID equal to P.product ID tells that every row from the order items table, find the row in a product table that has a matching product ID. Now I'll include the columns list. So select OI dot order ID, comma, P dot product name, comma, OI dot quantity, and OI dot unit price. I'll execute this. Now the result shows actual product name with its order item details like quantity and unit price. Now, if I want to order the result based on product ID, I'll give order by product ID and execute. Here we get an error saying product ID is ambiguous. The reason is SQL doesn't know from which table the product ID comes from, whether it is coming from the order items table or from the products table. So we need to specify from which table we want to get the product ID. Here we want to sort the data based on the product ID from the order items table. So I will give order by OI dot product ID and I will execute this. Now the result is ordered based on the product ID from the order items table. The scenario 2 is to identify the products that have never been ordered so that the super fast food team can decide whether they want to remove the products from their menu or not. Now, let us go step by step to achieve this particular result. First, the products table. The products table consists of all product details, and the order items table consists of products that have been ordered. Our goal is to identify products that have never been ordered. So we need to filter the products that have never been ordered by any customer. And to achieve this, first we need to do left join products table with order items table. And we need to left join the products table with order items table based on the product ID. So when you do that, we get all products from the products table and the matching records from the order items table. Basically, if there is a match on product ID, we get that record from the order items table. Now let us write the query for this. Select. I will include the columns list after completing the join part. So select from products P, left join order items OI on P dot product ID equal to OI dot product ID. So in this, I will include the columns list. I will include OI dot order ID and P dot product name. In this, I'll include the product IDs from order items table and products table so that we can visually see the product ID matches in the result. So I'll include OI dot product ID as product ID in order items table, P dot product ID as product ID in products table. I'll execute this. Now we got the products, all the products that have a matching product ID and also the products that do not have a matching product ID in the order items table. So our goal is to filter these two products that have never been ordered by any customer. You see here, for a matching product ID, we have a result in the order items table columns, and if there is no match, it is displayed as null. Now I'll just I'll just comment out this and get only the product name. I'll also get the category from the products table, and we need to filter the products that have a null value in the order items table columns. So here I will filter where OI dot order ID is null. I'll execute this. Now the result shows the products and their categories that have never been ordered by any customer in the super fast food global. And this gives the idea to the team whether they want to remove these two items from their menu.